Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video I've brought you guys Messenger video calls camera settings. So if you have any problem with your camera not working during video calls in your Messenger, this is the fix. So now let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your settings. Now after you open your settings, scroll down all the way till you find apps. Go to apps. Now here you'll need to find Messenger. So just find Messenger and open it up. Now, before I tell you guys what to do next, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. Now go to Messenger and make sure that your camera and your microphone is toggled on. Now this is the permissions that allow your Messenger app to interact with your camera and microphone. So all you need to do is make sure these are turned on, and after you do so, your video camera will work fine in video calls on your Messenger. So yeah, that is all for the video guys. I hope you guys found it helpful, and if you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.